Hello, welcome to another PPP loan video. In this one, I'm going to do a follow-up to last week's video. We got some questions here on the self-employed single member LLC, sole proprietors. So in that other video, I kind of gave an example. I showed you what a Schedule C, which is in your Form 1040 from a 2019 tax return. And questions started coming in of, can you just show this to me on an Excel file? So that's what this video is. So, and this is just an example. So if you look at your line 31 net profit, this individual had a net profit of $150,000. The loan amount that they got from their bank, however that individual calculated it and the bank approved it, say it was 30 grand. The max that they can, pay themselves and have that amount forgiven is $15,385. And that max is calculated by, you take $100,000, which is the max per the SBA guidance, and you multiply that by 8 weeks divided by 52 weeks, because 8 weeks is the covered period. So in this example, if you take 8 divided by 52, multiply it by 150,000, you're gonna get a lot higher amount than the 15,385. So our recommendation is make sure you pay yourself, depending on what your loan amount or what this net profit amount is. But, just say we change the example. Just say it's not 150,000. Just say it's 80,000 is your net profit. Okay, so 80,000 is your net profit, and we want to figure out, okay, what can we pay ourselves, and that amount's going to be forgiven. Well, you take 80,000, multiply it by 8 divided by 52 weeks, and you're going to get $12,307. So if you pay yourself this amount, that's the max that's going to be forgiven. So the amount, and just say you got a $30,000 loan, the amount that's not going to be forgiven is $17,692, and either you give this back after the 8 weeks, or you hold on to it and you spend it, but then you got to pay it back at the end of the 2 years. So hopefully this answers your question, but I think what we're seeing is a lot of people got a larger loan amount than what they anticipated. And when the actual rules came about of what the forgiveness is, looks like a lot of people that kind of fall in this category here are going to have to repay the loan. So you want to make sure you plan ahead. Don't spend all that money. If you do, you got to keep in mind that you're going to have to repay some of that back. So hopefully that helps. If you have any other questions on this, do send me an email, as we want to make sure everyone's questions are answered. Thanks.